Hello students, in previous video we have completed Unit 11 and now today we will start Unit 12, that is percentage. Now what is percentage? To understand the meaning of percentage, let us discuss this example. Ramlal has a basket of 100 fruits. So he is Ramlal and he has a basket. And this basket contains 100 fruits. Out of 100 fruits, there are 52 mangoes. So 100 fruits are there in the basket. And out of these 100 fruits, 52 fruits are mango. That means mango are 52 part of 100 fruits, right? The fraction of mangoes will be 52 upon 100. So you know how to write a fraction. We have already learned in previous classes. Let us revise it. Suppose this is a square and we will divide this square into 4 equal parts. That means in 4 squares, right? Now let us shade its one part. Now how can we write this as fraction? So if we talk about the shaded portion, the fraction of shaded part is 1 upon 4. How can we write? In denominator we write the total number of parts. So there are 4 parts, total number of parts are 4 and 1 is shaded. And if we talk about the fraction of unshaded parts, so fraction of unshaded parts are how many unshaded parts are there? 1, 2, 3. These are 3 are unshaded. So 3 upon 4, 4 means total number of parts. So we always write total number of parts in denominator. So here similarly total fruits are 100. So we have written 100 in denominator and 52 are mangoes. So we have written it in numerator. So the fraction of mangoes will be 52 upon 100. Similarly, out of 100 fruits, there are 21 apples. So the fraction of 21 apples is 21 upon total number of fruits are 100. So 21 upon 100. So apples are 21 parts of 100 fruits. So the fraction of apple is 21 upon 100. Similarly, out of 100 fruits, there are 27 pears. And here pears are 27 part of 100 and the fraction of pears is 27 upon 100. Now in all these above fractions, that is 52 upon 100, 21 upon 100, 27 upon 100, what is common? Denominator. In all these 3 fractions, denominator is 100. This is common in all these 3 fractions. So denominator is 100. Now fraction whose denominator is equal to 100. ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? 100 होगा. फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 100 होगा, that is called percentage. So try to understand this line sentence, that fraction whose denominator is equal to 100. ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 100 होगा, that is called percentage. तो परसेंटेज क्या होती है? ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 100 होगा. नाउ डू यू नो सेंट? सेंट मीन्स 100. सेंट मीन्स 100 एंड परसेंट, और पर का मीन्स, पर मीन्स ईच, हर एक, एवरी. सो ये 2 वर्ड से बना पर सेंट. पर मीन्स एवरी, सेंट मीन्स 100. So every 100 की बात करेंगे हम, तो that is percent. So percent means for every 100. So if we talk about percent, this is the sign of percent, right? This is the sign of percent. And this percent means upon 100. That means denominator में 100 होगा, ऊपर कुछ भी हो सकता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 वट एवर 10 20 30 40 जो भी लिखना चाहें दैट वो आप न्यूमरेटर में लिखेंगे. एंड अपॉन 100 का मतलब होता है परसेंट, राइट. अगर आप एज यू कैन सी हियर इन द एग्जांपल 40 अपॉन 100, इफ वी राइट 40 इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में हमने क्या लिखा है 100. सो 40 अपॉन 100 हम क्या लिखेंगे 40. दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ परसेंट. सो व्हाट वी रीड इट एज 40%. और 40% को हम कैसे लिखेंगे 40 and this is a symbol of percentage. So again we have 1 upon 100. So we write it as 1% and read it as 1%, right? 25 upon 100, 25, the symbol, we write it as this and we read it as 25%. क्योंकि ये जो साइन है this is of percent. And upon 100, denominator में 100 means percent. So अगर परसेंट को मैं रिमूव करता हूं so we will write upon 100. और अगर मैं नीचे का 100 रिमूव करता हूं तो उसकी जगह मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं परसेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल if we write 13%, right, 13%. So 13% को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं फ्रैक्शन में. So 13 और जो परसेंट है ये परसेंट को मैं अगर मैं नंबर में तोड़ूंगा तो इसको क्या क्या बन जाएगा. परसेंट मीन्स अपॉन 100, राइट. सो एज इट इज रिटन हियर परसेंट को अगर मैं चेंज करूं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा अपॉन 100. सो 13% मीन्स 13 अपॉन 100. ये परसेंट की जगह मैंने 100 लिख दिया. सो हियर 79 अपॉन 100, 79%. Now worksheet number 1. Fill in the boxes. 55 upon 100. So ये 100 जो डिनोमिनेटर में है, this 100 is written as this symbol, that is percent. So what is left here is 55. So what we write it as 55%. Similarly 4 upon 100, 4%. जो 100 है ये क्या बन गया परसेंट. 93 upon 100, 93%. Similar 125 per 100 upon 100, that is 125%. Now here E part 41%. 41 upon dash is equal to 41%. जैसे मैंने अभी ऊपर डिस्कस किया परसेंट को मैं अगर रिमूव करता हूं तो परसेंट को रिमूव करने से क्या हो जाएगा अपॉन 100. 41 upon 100, that is 41%. Similarly 11% को हम कैसे लिखेंगे 11 अपॉन परसेंट रिमूव करेंगे अपॉन 100. अगेन 11% परसेंट रिमूव किया अपॉन 100 is already written. What is left is 11. So we will write 11% means 11 upon 100. Here 132%. परसेंट का अपॉन 100 इज रिटन और अब हमने क्या लिखना है न्यूमरेटर में 132. सिमिलरली क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन अ बॉक्स देयर आर 100 chalks. हाउ मेनी chalks आर देयर 100 chalks. आउट ऑफ these 65 chalks आर ब्लू. 65 chalks आर ब्लू and the rest means left or remaining. बचे हुए chalks, बचे हुए chalks are pink in color. 65 chalks are blue and the remaining are pink in color. Complete the following statement. First one is fraction of blue chalks. So you know how to write a fraction. Denominator में total number और ऊपर जिसके fraction हमें निकालना है. So upon 100 and how many blue chalks are there 65. So it is the fraction of blue chalks, that is 65 upon 100. Now we have to write it as a percentage. So 65 upon 100 जो है वो क्या बन गया परसेंट. What is left is 65, so it is 65%. Similarly, number of pink chalks. So here we have to find out the number of pink chalks. So how can we find? Total number of chalks are given, number of pink chalks are given, and we have to find out the remaining chalks. Remaining, left out, rest, bache hue. For that we have to subtract it. How many chalks are left? 35. And these 35 are the pink chalks. So number of pink chalks are 35. Now fraction of pink chalks. So again you know how to write the fraction. Denominator में क्या आता है? Total number. So total number of chalks are 100. So we write 100. And number of pink chalks, because pink chalk की percent निकालना है fraction. So 35 upon 100. Now percentage, 100 becomes this sign, and what is left is 35. So 35%. Now I hope it is clear that what is percent? Percent means upon 100. Like 65 upon 100, 65%. 35 upon 100, 35%. Next question. Anuj had 100 stamps. Anuj had 100 stamps. Out of these 32 are foreign stamps. Total कितने stamps है? 100. How many stamps are foreign stamps? 32 are foreign stamps. And the rest means left or remaining are Indian stamps. बची हुई कितनी है? Stamps क्या है? Indian stamps. Find the percent of Indian stamps that Anuj had. तो Indian stamps हमें निकालनी है. कितनी है अनुज के पास? So first of all we have to find out the number of Indian stamps. Indian stamps की percent निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? Indian stamps निकालनी पड़ेगी. 100 stamps, उसमें से 32 foreign है, तो बची हुई क्या है? Indian stamps. तो minus it, subtract it. 100 minus 32 is 68. 68 stamps. And 68 stamps, Indian stamps की अगर मैं fraction में लिखूंगा तो 68 upon total number of stamps, that is 100. 68 upon 100 is a fraction. Now write it as percentage, because percent of Indian stamps are asked. So 68 and this 100 becomes percent. So 68% is the answer. Similarly, next question. Here is a big square. You can see this is a big square. And this big square is divided into 100 small squares. You can see here there are 100 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When इस साइड को भी 10, तो 10 10 is 100. Total 100 small squares are there. 5 squares are shaded black to show 5%. 5 जो black स्क्वायर जो है ब्लैक शेड किया हुआ है, इसको हम क्या शो कर रहे हैं? 5%. 5% मीन्स 5 upon 100. That means 5 boxes out of 100 boxes. Total 100 boxes are there, and out of 100 boxes 5 boxes are black in color. That means 5%. So now shade the squares to represent this following percents. Now 45%. So 45% means 45 upon 100. यही सीखा है हमने. परसेंट को अगर मैं हटाता हूं तो उसकी जगह पर क्या लिख सकता हूं मैं? 100 upon 100. So 45% means 45 upon 100. That means total number of squares are 100, and out of these 45 boxes are green in color. Out of these 100 boxes, 45 boxes are green in color. That is 45%. 45% का मतलब क्या है कि 45 boxes है वो green है. 100 में से 45 boxes are green in color. So we have to shade 45 boxes in green color. So these are 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 5. 45 boxes we have shaded in green color. Next is 6% is yellow. 6% means 6 upon 100. 100 are the total number of boxes, and out of these 100, 6 are yellow in color. 6 are yellow in color. So we have shaded 6 squares in yellow color. And next is 20%. 20% means 20 out of 100. 20% remove किया, अब उसकी जगह पर upon 100. So that means 20 out of 100 boxes are blue in color. So we have shaded these 20 boxes with blue color. You can see 10 plus 10, 20 boxes. So in this way we have shaded the squares to represent the following percents. So now it is clear. Percent means upon 100. Upon 100. Denominator में 100 is percent. Now in next video we will discuss and learn about the conversions, how to convert percent into fractions in the lowest term and convert percentage into decimal numbers. Thank you.